This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Darcy Gouffline. A hidden gem, quiet country living on 2 adjacent parcels totaling 49.25 acres of rolling hills, ponds and private woods. Home offers 9 feet ceilings with wide door openings to kitchen, living room, dining room, 4 large bedrooms and bonus room. 11 by 33 screened porch covers the entire back of home. Abundance of wildlife, stocked pond, fish feeder, dock, windmill aerator, raised garden beds, fruit trees, blackberries, 3-yard hydrants gives you ability to self-sustain. A cabin, wood/steel bridge, hoop house and storage container wired just connect. 30 by 40 garage/workshop with lean-to. Sunsets and stars. All this in minutes to town. Second adjacent parcel sold with this listing.